Today I'll explain the difference between a normal page and a database in Notion. If you're confused about this, don't worry. I'll keep it very simple. First, this is a normal page. A normal page is just like a digital notebook. You can type text. You can add headings. You can add bullet points. It's simple. You use it for writing information, like notes, ideas, or plans. Now let's look at a database. This looks different. You see rows and columns. Each row is an item. Each column is information about that item. For example, this task says study, and here we can tick the checkbox to mark tasks as complete. A database is used to track things, like tasks, projects, or content ideas. Here's the easy rule to remember. If you just want to write something, use a page. If you want to organize and track multiple items, use a database. That's it. Now Notion should make much more sense. Pages are for writing. Databases are for tracking. Simple.